Hello, welcome to JavaScript 101 for Beginners. In this series, I'm going to be going over different aspects of JavaScript in short 2 to 3 minute videos. In this episode, we're going to be looking at variables. Specifically, what are variables, how do we make one, and how to use it. So variables are the way of saying to the coding language, hey, we want to store a specific type of data. But how do we make one? Well, let's come under here and type var. This stands for var, or variable. This tells JavaScript that we want to make a new variable and set it equal to something. So that way we can call it later on in the script. So we're just going to say, this is a variable. Note, this is the name of the variable, and you can set it to whatever you want as long as it doesn't override another variable, meaning we can't have two variables with the same name in different values. What will end up happening is JavaScript will take the bottom variable, so this line right here, and override the first line, this one. So once you have your variable name typed out, you're going to want to set it equal to something. So we can use strings, numbers, booleans, objects, and functions. We'll go over these more in depth in later episodes. For this, we'll just use a string. So we'll say, hello world. Now that we have our variable and JavaScript knows what it's equal to, we can call it later on in the script using console.log. There'll be other ways to call a variable, but this is one of the most simple ones that you can get started with now. So to run this script that I have here, I'm going to type node types. Note, you won't have Node installed right now, but this will work on a website too. So if you were loading JavaScript into a web browser, you can run console.log there, or you can also copy what I have here, which is in a GitHub link down below, and paste it into your Chrome, Firefox, or any web browser's console to run it. If you're not sure how to do that, you can look it up. It's pretty simple to do. I know on Chrome for Windows, it's Control-Shift-J or Control-Shift-I to open console. And then we're going to run this function. And you'll see that in the console, we have hello world. So there we go. We have declared a variable, set it equal to something, and used it later on in the script. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a wonderful day. Peace out. Bye-bye.